This right here, this is finely chopped cauliflower, and it's gonna be completely transformed, and it's gonna have all the flavor you would expect to find in these veggie tacos. Cauliflower, seasoned just like taco meat, then topped with a fresh coconut lime slaw. Let's start by heating olive oil in a large pan and sauteing onions until they're softened. Add in the finely chopped cauliflower and continue cooking until softened and heated through. A note on this type of cauliflower: you can find it already chopped and bagged, fresh and frozen, and it's often called riced cauliflower in most stores now. Or you can just chop it yourself. All of these options will turn out great. And now add the salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, paprika, chipotle chili powder, and the ground cumin. Mix that around really well and then add in the tomato paste. Get that combined really well with the other ingredients and let it heat through. Then turn off the heat and keep it covered to remain warm while you mix the slaw. For the coconut lime slaw, all of the ingredients, so that's the shredded coleslaw mix, mayo, coconut milk, fresh cilantro, lime juice, and sugar, all go in a large bowl at once and they're mixed together. That's all there is to it. So here's my hack for soft corn tortillas that don't crumble and fall apart. Wrap a small stack of tortillas in a damp paper towel and pop it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. Keep them covered until you're ready to fill them with the cauliflower mixture and top with the coconut lime slaw. And that's all there is to it. Now you can dig in. My whole family loves these veggie tacos, and it's that coconut lime slaw that makes it taste extra light and fresh, and it's easy and quick enough for a weeknight meal. You can find the recipe for these veggie tacos and coconut lime slaw at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.